Hi everyone, I have created my own custom neural network from scratch in Python just using Numpy. And here is the code. And I have trained it on various datasets. First is the regression dataset, basic California house pricing one. And the other one is the iris dataset, multi-class classification problem. And this is the loss curve and the confusion matrix as you can see. And another one is the breast cancer binary classification problem. And this is the class distribution, loss curve, and confusion matrix as you can see. And the architecture, I kept it very simple, just using some ReLU layers, and this is the neural network code. You can see like the fit, backward, forward, back propagation, forward propagation, and everything, and the dense layer as well. And you can see multiple loss functions as well, like mean squared error, binary cross entropy, and categorical cross entropy loss. And I have implemented all the main activation functions as well, like linear, ReLU, sigmoid, softmax, and tanh. And you can find this code in my GitHub repo, this one, param302/ml practice, and I'll attach the link of this repo in the comments. Thank you.